Welcome to our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, where precise and efficient production processes are carried out every minute. Here, every project and product is created to the highest standards, from the machinery components to the meticulous processing steps. In every step of the process, precision is the key factor. The HK MIG 500 electronic welding machine plays a crucial role in our production line, helping to increase labor productivity while ensuring quality and efficiency in all welding tasks. The HK MIG 500 electronic welding machine is the perfect choice for large-scale manufacturing facilities. With a power capacity of up to 500 amps, it is capable of welding thick steel components that bear heavy loads, delivering outstanding performance in all working conditions. Each HK MIG 500 welding machine is the result of meticulous research and assembly. From the circuit boards to the powder-coated machine casing, every component is crafted with high precision to ensure durability and long-term efficiency for the user. The HK MIG 500 welding machine operates powerfully, providing a stable welding current ranging from 100 to 500 amps. Even when working in environments with weak electricity, the machine delivers high-quality welds without interruption. The HK MIG 500 welding machine offers 3 flexible welding modes, 2T, 4TA, and 4TB, allowing users to easily adjust and control the welding process according to specific work requirements. Its intelligent protection mode prevents overheating, overcurrent, and voltage instability, safeguarding the machine throughout the operation. The HK MIG 500 welding machine is equipped with an automatic cooling fan system. The fan operates only when the machine reaches the necessary temperature, helping to save energy, reduce dust accumulation, and extend the lifespan of the equipment. The HK MIG 500 welding machine comes with a complete accessory set, including a ground clamp and high-quality welding gun, allowing you to perform welding tasks quickly and efficiently. In addition, the technical team at HK is always ready to provide maintenance and servicing, ensuring the machine operates smoothly and reliably. The HK MIG 500 welding machine is not just a tool, but a solution that enhances work efficiency and product quality. Whether in a manufacturing workshop or on a construction site, the HK MIG 500 always accompanies you, delivering excellent results. HK Company.